simplify the expression 1 minus 1 over 1 minus 1 over 1 minus 1 over a. To begin this example, we'll start by simplifying just this part of the expression, this denominator. In order for us to do the subtraction, we would have to rewrite 1 as a over a, because then we have the same denominator. We'd have a over a minus 1 over a. And so that will be equal to 1 minus 1 over 1 minus 1 over. And so now I'm going to simplify this. Remember, this is a over a, so it becomes a minus 1 over a. Now we'll simplify this part underneath my hand. We have 1 divided by the fraction a minus 1 over a. So what we'll do in that case, of course, is take 1 times the reciprocal of a minus 1 over a. So this expression is now equal to 1 minus 1 over 1 minus, and now here what we want is 1 times the reciprocal of a minus 1 over a, and that result would just be a over a minus 1. Now we're going to simplify this part. So to do that, of course, we need to rewrite 1. So let me show that. 1 minus 1 over. We're going to rewrite 1 using this a minus 1 as both the numerator and the denominator, so that you can now see that we have the same denominators. We can subtract the numerators. So what that gives us as a result is 1 minus 1 over a minus 1 minus a over a minus 1. We'll simplify the a minus 1 minus a. So we have 1 minus 1 over. A minus a is, of course, 0, so negative 1 over a minus 1. Simplifying this fraction, we are dividing 1 by negative 1 over a minus 1. That means we're going to multiply 1 times the reciprocal. So this would be equal to 1 minus, the reciprocal would be a minus 1 over negative 1, which we multiply times that 1, which gives us the same result. This would be equal to, we have subtracting and then this negative, which we can combine so that it becomes 1 plus a minus 1 over 1. But now a minus 1 over 1 is just a minus 1. So we have 1 plus a minus 1, and that's equal to a. So that entire expression simplifies to a.